The chip complex is catching a bid today, software taking a breather, and we have some key names reporting after the bell, like the one on your screen there, Cisco, with some action under the surface. It's up about 3% today. Here with more insight is Bob Sloan. He's the founder of S3 Partners, which provides market data on positioning within stocks and sectors. I can't start with Cisco, though. Do you know where I have to start?
Tell me.
Do you remember what you said the last time that you were on with us at the end of June?
Yes, I do.
You warned about the memory trade.
Yeah.
Do you know what day the memory trade peaked? June 22. So, Bob, as I lean in, what do you? And today we have DRAM rebounding to the tune of 8%. Is that? Can people jump back in there? Are there new areas of leadership? What's going on?
So, SpaceX kind of rules all, and that's the gravity by which everything else is pulled towards. So, yeah, you're seeing a lot of short covering in that, and you're seeing short covering across the board, like in stocks like CoreWeave, et cetera. We're seeing a lot of that.
Let's go back to what you just said. SpaceX rules all. I mean, I thought this was a stock that was set it and forget it. Retail buys it, they put it away. It's a generational thing. You say it's much more important than that.
Yeah, it is. It's a trillion, $1.75 billion dollar IPO. It's the biggest IPO on the planet ever, and everybody owns it, and it affects everything. So you're either a believer or not. And that, you either kind of say it rules the world or it doesn't. Mm-hmm. And the amount of short interest bets on SpaceX has gone to $32 billion down to $24 billion in 60 days.
But
we've never seen anything like this. Have you ever seen anything like
He's
that?
cleared out the shorts to that extent, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so again, I would say this is an idiosyncratic Elon Musk story. Why is it so important, and what does it tell you about the broader markets?
Well, technology, software, memory, I think certainly SpaceX is probably the frothiest trade ever. It bleeds into other sectors and has an effect. And you're seeing that. When that stock moves, it moves other things along.
It's wonky, and I don't want to go too deep into it, but like if you look at something like Delta One, which is like a strategy for synthetic baskets of stocks on Wall Street, our retail audience doesn't do it, but hedge funds do it. Tesla used to be the most important stock in the world because it was in all these Delta One option strategies. People hedged against it, right? There's a lot more to a SpaceX and a Tesla, these Musk stocks, right, than just the stock itself.
Sure.
They influence, I think what you're saying, all these weird other things that we never think about.
Well,
I mean, you guys think about them,
but
our viewer at home is probably, what's that?
Is SpaceX a memory stock? Is it a launch stock? What is it? Is it a satellite stock?
AI.
There's so many different
Grok.
things, and that's why it has an effect on so many different sectors.
So Bob, and you just mentioned the short interest has gone down. Stock has kind of rebounded quite a bit.
Yep.
Have the shorts then moved on to other parts of the AI trade, saying, hey, listen, we don't want to mess with SpaceX, okay? Because it's just other things happen. So, you mentioned CoreWeave, you mentioned some of the memory stocks. Is that kind of starting to back, as soon as these things get the momentum, do the shorts start pressing on that area, or are they kind of looking at other areas in the market now?
Well, positioning matters more than just what the short sellers are doing, right? So I think one of the things that we're looking at is what's the ratio of active longs to shorts in things that are adjacent to SpaceX. So, for example, like, Viasat, Planet Systems, those stocks are skewing long. And so those things are, I would say, pro-SpaceX on the Elon Musk influence side. And then you have things like Intuitive and AST Space Mobile, which are skewing to the negative side. And because they're seen as being competitive to Elon Musk.